Assalamu alaikum dear students. Nan ba manga discuss ko for lecture ke organic compounds or hydrocarbons set away. First of all, we will discuss about the organic compounds. In Urdu, it is known as namiyati murakkabat. Namiyati murakkabat. Now the compounds contains carbon and hydrogen and possibly other elements like that is oxygen, nitrogen, etc. The compounds which contains carbon, hydrogen and some other inorganic elements like oxygen and nitrogen. Beside carbon and hydrogen, there are also some other elements. This is known as the organic compounds. This is known as the organic compound. Now, the example of organic compounds, examples, these are methane, which is CH4, ethane, C2H6, and acetic acid. Acetic acid, the formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. उस्ताद देखो करें देखे कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन, इसमें कार्बन भी है, हाइड्रोजन भी है, इसमें भी कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन है. It also contains carbon and hydrogen, the constituent carbon and hydrogen, with the addition of some inorganic element like oxygen. So these are known as organic compounds. Now we are going to the next one, which is hydrocarbon, which are hydrocarbons. Now the hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons. Remember, definition of the hydrocarbon is very simple. The compounds which is purely contain carbon and hydrogen are and not other elements. वो मुरक्कबात जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन हो, लेकिन दूसरे कोई भी मुरक्कबात न हो, तो उसको दूसरी कोई भी एलिमेंट्स उसमें ना हो, सारी उसमें दूसरी अदर एलिमेंट्स ना हो. The compounds which contain only and only carbon and hydrogen and not any other element like oxygen and nitrogen. But in the case of organic compounds, there are carbon, hydrogen plus some other elements like nitrogen and sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen. But in hydrocarbons, there are only pure and pure. I define this just like this, that the compounds which contains carbon and hydrogen and not any other element, just like oxygen and nitrogen. For example, the examples of hydrocarbons are examples of hydrocarbons. What are the examples of hydrocarbons? These are methane, ethane, propane, butane, benzene. As you know, benzene has the formula of C6H6. You know that these are containing the benzene containing pure carbon and hydrogen only and not any other element, means organic element which is other than carbon and hydrogen. So this is all about the hydrocarbons. Thank you.